The 1964 Ford Galaxie is an iconic full-size car that stands as a testament to the era of classic American automotive design. This model, known for its sleek body lines and powerful engine options, remains a favorite among vintage car enthusiasts. Designed with a long, low, and wide stance, the Galaxie of this year exudes a commanding presence on the road. Chrome accents, a distinctive front grille, and stylish tailfins define its aesthetic appeal. Its robust construction and aerodynamic profile contribute to both performance and durability, making it a remarkable choice for collectors and restorers alike. Inside the cabin, the 1964 Ford Galaxie offers a spacious and comfortable experience. The interior is adorned with premium materials, showcasing a combination of vinyl and cloth upholstery that enhances the overall elegance. The dashboard layout is designed for ease of use, featuring a classic speedometer, fuel gauge, and auxiliary controls that maintain a vintage charm. A deep-dish steering wheel and chrome accents add to the nostalgic appeal. Seating is generous, providing ample legroom and comfort for passengers. Some models came equipped with optional air conditioning, push-button radios, and power-assisted features, offering a glimpse into the luxury of the 1960s automotive world. Under the hood, the 1964 Ford Galaxie comes with an array of powerful engine choices. The base models featured a 223 cubic inch inline-six engine, while higher trims offered V8 options, ranging from 289 to 427 cubic inches. Among them, the 427 V8 engine, designed for high performance, became legendary due to its racing pedigree. This powerhouse delivered exceptional horsepower and torque, making the Galaxie a dominant force on both the streets and the track. Depending on the configuration, the car was available with a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or automatic transmission, allowing drivers to tailor their driving experience to their preferences. The rear-wheel drive setup provided excellent handling characteristics, and the suspension system ensured a smooth ride even at higher speeds. The 1964 Ford Galaxie remains an affordable yet valuable classic in today's market. Pricing varies based on condition, originality, and restoration level. With well-maintained examples fetching premium values, enthusiasts continue to seek this model for its timeless design, impressive performance, and historical significance. Whether as a weekend cruiser or a full restoration project, the Galaxie offers a rewarding ownership experience. For those passionate about classic cars and automotive history, subscribing to our channel ensures access to more reviews, specs, and features of legendary vehicles like this. Join our growing community and stay connected for future content exploring the finest automobiles from past and present.